Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thanks for watching. The other day I made a drink called the MOONKIST Coconut. There's a couple ways to make it. Today I'm going to make it with coconut milk. I just bought some, $4 worth, just to make this drink. This is the original recipe, as far as I know, from what I can tell. So let's get started. Calls for 1.5 Puerto Rican rum. Last time I used Bacardi. This time I'm going to use Trader Vic's. It's from Puerto Rico. Very light rum, very little taste. Let's the other ingredients come through. And 3/4 Barbados rum. I'm going to use Cockspur again. Call this original fine rum. 3/4. And 3/4 West Indies rum. So Trader Vic's, this particular gold rum is from the West Indies. 3/4. Let's look at on the back here. It says product of West Indies. And 1/2 lime juice. Persian, not the it's the normal kind you find on the market. All right, and 1/2 coconut milk. Never tried this before. Yeah, the key limes are okay to use with some of the Persian lime juice. They add a lot of special flavor. I kind of like it. This recipe didn't call for it. 1/4 falernum. I'm going to use BG Reynolds. This has no alcohol in it. 1/4. And 1/2 rich honey syrup. Clover honey, 2 honey, 1 water. 1/2. I'm sorry, 1/4. I'm sorry, 1/2. I'm reading my recipe at the left. And 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And I'm going to put it in this glass. So I'm going to use the top-down blender. Put that ice in there. All right. Hopefully it'll fill up just right. And a straw. There we have it. This is the original recipe for the MOONKIST Coconut cocktail. Hope you all like it. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. And we'll see you next time.